next thing I want to talk about is the difference between what the family-based petition is and then what the adjustment of status does. So the family-based petition, where you're pretty much telling immigration, all right, this is my mom, this is my dad, and I can prove this because, and then obviously you give the identity documents and, eventually later, sometimes they need a DNA test. But you're pretty much proving, look, the relationship between me and my parent is legitimate, it's bona fide, and please approve our petition so then we could seek the green card. So that's what you're primarily trying to do under the family petition. When you get to the adjustment part, right, that's where you really have to see, okay, whether your parent is eligible to not only file the adjustment of status application, but also get the green card in the US by not having any issues. But what type of issues would that be? Maybe there's allegations of fraud or misrepresentation. Maybe at the time that they applied for the visa, they may have lied on their application or testified in front of the officer or provided a fraudulent document. Things like that could come up. So that is important to look into. Maybe there are issues of alien smuggling. Maybe they helped someone financially or physically come into the United States. There could be issues with their arrests. There could be issues with whether they had a previous deportation order or they're currently in removal proceedings and, jurisdiction might not be with USCIS. It's maybe they have to adjust before the court. These are things that are very, very important.